Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha and today I'll be doing a toddler toy review with my 3-year-old. So yesterday I went to Walmart and picked up this item. It is an alphabet PreK toy and it is for ages 3 and up. It's 26 wooden pieces and it was $5.88 and it is the Melissa and Doug brand. So I'm going to see how my son interacts with this toy. I'm trying to encourage him to speak. So y'all just stay tuned. Let's take them off. What's that? Oh. See it? It goes there, Brody. Ow. Oh. See, this game is hard. Uh-oh. Good job, Brody. Good job. Hey. Hey, yay. Good job. What you got? D. D. Duck. Oh, you're so smart. Yes, that goes there. Turn it. Turn it the other way. Oh. Good job, Brody. Yes. Good job. What else you got? What else you got? What's that? B. C. You're not even looking. That's an X. Where does the X go? Where does the X go, Brody? Okay, we don't know where that one goes. E. E. You know your alphabet. E. Good job. Good job. Good job, Brody. What you got? K. K is for kangaroo. K. Where's the K go? Not sure? V. Violin. No, the K doesn't go there. K is for kangaroo, Brody. I'm not sure where that one goes. What about the U? Umbrella. Yes. Ooh, ooh, umbrella. Z is for zipper. Can you say zipper? Z is for zipper. It's the last one in the alphabet. Good job, Brody. Y. Yo-yo. You gotta turn it. Look. Twist it. Yay! Good job. What about those? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G goes there. Which one's a G? Good job. Good job. Good job. Where's the X go? The J. Pay attention to the shape. The I is correct. Yes, that's a good job. What about the Q? Where does the Q go? Q is a circle. Yes, you have a Q. Quack, quack, Q, Q, quack. Pick it up. Good job. What's next? J. That's not where the J go. That's wrong, Brody. No. Here. Let's try again. Let's try again. J. J. What about R? R. No, Brody. Here. R. There. Okay, you got two more. Two more. J. Good job. One more, Brody. K. Where does the K go? Yay! Come on. Give me your hand. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job! Yay! Okay, guys, so here's the puzzle. And I just want to say that after the first try, I would rate this puzzle a 2. Now, the reasons why I would rate this puzzle a 2 is because I thought it was too challenging for my son after the first try. Now, this is why. Number 1, the silhouettes. Let's look at these silhouettes. This should be shaped like a C, but in all actuality, it's shaped like a backwards D. So I just don't like that. It made it difficult for my son to match them because the shapes really don't match the actual alphabet. This is a square versus the actual N. So I did not like that. And number 2, I do not like that the inner images are Disney characters versus the actual alphabet or an image that starts with the letter A. So I wish this was an apple versus Alice. And I'm gonna tell you why. Again, this is a bear. I'm not sure if it's named Bear or not because I'm not sure. Maybe this is the Jungle Book, maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure what cartoon that is. But I don't know his character. And I can't say to my child, C is for squirrel. I don't know his character, nor am I going to look it up. So I just don't think that any child born in the 2000s should be doing a puzzle such as this. This is a kangaroo, maybe. I think this is Kanga from Winnie the Pooh. This is Lady and the Tramp. Minnie Mouse. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. Do y'all know who that is? I don't know who that is. So, again, I would have said C for cat. It just don't make sense for a 3-year-old born in the new millennial to be doing a puzzle based on characters from the 60s or 70s. I mean, I don't know when these characters were created, but I'm pretty sure they didn't make any remakes for some of them. And that is a reason why I would give this puzzle a 2. Now, after completing the puzzle, the second go around, where my son completed each row individually. The first time I threw all the pieces out and had him put it together, as y'all saw. But the second time, I just did one row at a time. I would give the puzzle a 4. So it actually was not all that challenging for him. He went from completing the puzzle in 18 minutes to completing it in 5 minutes. So therefore, I would give it a 4. And also, he can use these alphabet for other activities. I will incorporate them in other things that we do. So, with that being said, this puzzle by Melissa and Doug and Disney, you can get it at Walmart. It is $5.88 and it is in the toy section. I give it a 4. All right, guys. So, okay. Like I said, I give it a 4. I don't think that the puzzle is really that bad. You can utilize those pieces in other activities that you do with your child. So it is a great buy. It is a challenge for some kids, but I do think that Melissa and Doug has great learning activities. So this is a great buy. And if you're interested in buying this, it is located at your local Walmart. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you buy this toy or not. But thank you for watching.